if I am not wrong, then this boy used to tell you that you don't need any any paid coaching center, paid coaching से पेचिंग हो गया, any paid coaching material to crack it. Now the same person is telling you or is selling you his own service. What the hell, man? So was he fake? Was all those sayings just to grab your attention? Oh, well. Don't just come to beat me now. Because honestly, I will tell you not to buy my service. Why? Because there is only one thing except which I cannot give anything to you new that is not available for free in internet. And what is that one thing? That is me. Okay? So the thing is, I am not boasting. So honestly, I try to share with you all the things that I know that I have experienced through my gate preparation journey through my YouTube videos. But still, I get at least 10 to 20 comments or even more than that every day in YouTube comments and LinkedIn comments कि भैया मुझे आपसे बात करना है, how can I contact you? So see, I have a very tight and hectic schedule, and therefore I cannot contact all of you separately by phone, by WhatsApp, or even in platforms like LinkedIn. I miss some of the messages, and that is due to my hectic schedule. Now you have to understand that we all are humans. Okay? So in this hectic schedule, if I give my precious time to all of you, okay, I will charge some money. It is as harsh as it sounds. Okay. Now if I say you that okay, मैं तो यार बहुत अच्छा आदमी हूँ, मैं कोई पैसा नहीं लूँगा तुम लोगों को, बस ऐसे ही छोड़, मतलब तुम लोग जो चाहोगे मैं तुमसे फ़ोन करके बात कर लूँगा. Believe me, I am a human and I am not that much good कि अगर मेरे पास कोई मोटिवेशन ना हुआ, so I can talk with you with that much enthusiasm, and that is why I am charging money. Now you have the right to ask anything in the comment box, that what I will get, and I can tell you that what you will get. So technically, I will be conducting consultancy sessions about your gate preparation, or any maybe guidance about interview. So in those 30 minutes or 60 minutes, whatever with the time, I will answer all of your questions live, 1:1. Okay. Other than that, if you want, I can conduct mock interviews for DRC, ISRO, DRDO, any IIT or IISc admission. Okay. Now I cannot conduct any kind of interview for PSU. Okay, because I don't have the first hand experience, and I believe that if you don't have any first hand experience, you are not eligible to conduct any mock interview for that organization. This is the simple reason. And in those coaching centers who conduct interviews, barely the teachers have actually experienced that interview. I'm not telling that he or she, the teacher, has to pass that interview. Maybe he or she has failed, but has he or she experienced the particular interview? The answer is no for the most of the time. But here you will get someone who has experienced BARC, ISRO, DRDO, and IISc and IIT interviews. So I have the first-hand experience for all these research organizations. Okay. So again, just I am telling you that if you feel that I am enough, I can get the guidance from anyone who is, free for me, okay, whom I don't need to pay, then go for that, please. I am discouraging you to buy this session, but still, if you feel that I want to talk to this guy, you have to buy my time. Okay, it is not free, and it is as harsh as it sounds. I don't want to make any kind of fake promise to you, because if I conduct free consultancy sessions, believe me, I will seek that okay, ये 30 मिनट या फिर ये 15 मिनट कब खत्म होंगे. I will be like, okay, now I have some work, I have to go. But now, because you have paid me, I cannot go anywhere before the stipulated time ends. And I will ensure that if you have to buy my service again, that then I will ensure that I will give you the best from me. Okay, I will give you the best service for me. You will get my undivided attention. Okay, so this is the only thing that you can get. Other than that, anything that I will tell you, honestly, most of the things are available in internet. If not in other videos or in other sources, then in my videos, you can get all those things, right? So now it's up to you that whether you will buy it or not. So now let me share with you the consultancy form. Okay, I think you can see my screen. So here, see, this is the form. So I will post this form once in a week for 24 hours. Okay, now this form will be live and you have to fill this Google form. So this is the first form, and you can see you have to provide your full name here, the email address here, the phone number and WhatsApp number. This is taken so that I can contact you for the meeting purpose only. Don't worry, I will not spam you. And if you are not comfortable to share your number, then you don't share. This is not a required field here. So after that, what do you like to schedule? So here you have consultancy 30 minutes. Okay, so this is the one-on-one consultancy. Okay, and then you have the mock interview for 30 minutes for work. So here the ISRO DRDO is not, I mean, listed right now because they have not released their own notification. Okay, so after that you have mock interview, but now the difference is that you will be there in the meeting with one more student. So I will be there and you will be there with one more fellow aspirant. Okay, similarly the consultancy session can be with the one more student also. So if you opt for the option for the one more student, you have to pay less. That is the difference. Okay, now see here, now this part is very important. Here there is a link that click here to look to the available slots for the week. So here if you click on this link, you will be looking to a calendar, Google Calendar, where you can see the available slot for that particular week. Okay, now for example, if you see that 10 slots are available, then I am asking you write down 3 choices of specific time and date. For example, if I have 9 p.m. at Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Monday, and all the week, so you have to give me 3 different specific slots of your choice that I am available this. Okay, among those 3 slots, I will give you a particular slot. Okay, so here is the privacy policy. Very short, but you have to, I will suggest you to read it carefully, and after that, so you have to first fill up this form. Okay, like here. Okay, so they have held this form. I mean, this is just the example here. Someone has filled the form. Okay, Tuesday, Thursday, and all those things. Now here, firstly, you have to submit this form. Okay, now see, in a week, I cannot take the interviews of 100 students, or maybe I cannot take the consultancy session or interviews for 50 students also. Okay, because of my hectic schedule. So right now, at most, I can take 15 students per week. So I will consider only the first 15 students who will fill the form. And don't worry, if you have filled this form in this week and if you have got the session, then my friend, sorry that you cannot get 2 sessions consecutively in 2 weeks. Okay, so because I need to give chance to the other persons also. Okay, now the moment you are assigned a slot, you will be receiving a mail. Okay, in that mail you will be given another form. Okay, so that form is for just payment. Okay, So now I am opening that form. So this form is for the payment. Okay. So here, see, if you have chosen the consultancy session for one-on-one or the interview session for one-on-one, you can use this QR code to pay. If you have chosen the consultancy session or the mock interview with one more student, you have this QR code to pay. And if the QR codes are not working, then I have given my bank details in which you can pay. Okay. Finally, if you are facing any kind of problem during payment, that you can write here. Okay. And after you have done with your payment, then you have to provide us the transaction ID and also the screenshot of the GPay payment. Okay. Receipt, or if you have done the bank payment, then also you will get the payment receipt. You have to take the screenshot and upload in this form. Okay. Finally, I am excited to meet you. Okay. So the moment you will done the payment, okay, you will done the payment. क्या English बोल रहे हो यार? The moment you are done with the payment, then you will receive a mail, okay, that your slot is booked, and obviously I will meet you. Okay, but you have to make the payment within a stipulated time. That time will be mentioned in the first mail. Okay, after filling up the first form. So if you are not able to pay in within that stipulated time, then your slot will be cancelled and it will be assigned to the next person, maybe 16th or 17th person. Okay. Now, honestly, if you think, so I am now just stopping my screen recording. Honestly, if you think that this session is not for me, I don't need this session, it is totally fine. I am again telling you the only thing that I can give you in this session is me, the undivided attention of me, and the best from me that I can do for you. For the first 15 students only, for 1 week, for the first to maximum 20 students will be shortlisted arbitrarily. I mean, not arbitrarily. The first 15 to 20 students, they will be shortlisted, and then you will be sent a mail. You will be sent a mail for payment. If you are doing the payment, if we receive the payment within the deadline mentioned in that mail, then only your session will be booked. If the deadline is passed and you have not done with your payment, then your session will be cancelled. Okay. So now I am really excited to meet with all of you. And so then all the best. I think more than that, I think it is almost 10 minutes, but not 10 minutes. Okay. So itna to banta hai na. And finally, if you feel that I am doing something for you in this YouTube channel for free, I think after watching this video, you guys will be अब तो ये भी मतलब पैसा लेने लगा है, अब इसको छोड़ देते हैं, तो वो तुम्हारे ऊपर है, छोड़ भी सकते हो, ठीक है. लेकिन मैंने पूरा साफली बोल दिया कि आई एम नॉट दैट मच क्लीन दैट आई कैन डिवोट ऑल माई टाइम फॉर यू. नो, बिलीव मी, you have to buy my time because everything is becoming very hectic. But I will talk with you as your brother. I will talk with you as your friend. And I promise you that you will not feel in those 30 minutes that you are talking to someone who is very, professional and who doesn't care about you. I really care about you. And that is why I have told that I have nothing to share with you other than what I am sharing with you right now in YouTube. So again and again I am talking the same thing. I will not bother you much. So let's meet you in the next video or in the consultancy session in the one-on-one interview or one-on-one meeting. Until that, goodbye, take care, and thank you.